Ladies and gentlemen, car lovers and dream chasers, hold on to your steering wheels, because what you're about to witness isn't just a car. It's a rolling, electric monument to excess. Introducing the Rolls-Royce Spectre RS Edition, a machine so luxurious, so ridiculously over the top, it makes a private jet look like a used lawnmower. Now picture this, a Rolls-Royce, but not just any Rolls. We're talking full electric, ultra-white, dipped in chrome, 24-inch wheels of the gods type of Rolls. The color? Not white, linen. That's right. Even the color has a luxury name. This beast glides on a platform shared with the Phantom and Cullinan, yet it's fully electric. No 512. Just silence. And domination. Underneath that pure, holy bodywork lives a dual-motor setup pumping out 577 horses, ready to annihilate silence and make every other EV cry in shame. But Roadshow International didn't stop there. Oh no. They took this pristine, elegant Spectre and gave it a makeover that would make even Dracula blush. Open the door, if you dare, and you're immediately slapped in the face with an interior so red, it looks like Valentine's Day collided with a lava lamp. This isn't just red leather, it's a sea of fire, with just enough black to let you breathe. Barely. You've got RS smoked lighting, a 20mm drop to keep it hugging the earth like a panther, a two-tone gloss tag frame, ceramic tint, and enough protective coating to survive a hurricane of paparazzi flashes. Oh, and yes, every last inch is covered in satin clear PPF and topped off with RS ceramic paint coating. Because if you're gonna flex, you flex like you're allergic to subtlety. And just when you thought you might want one for your $1 million garage, sorry, it's already sold. That's right, gone. Probably to some celebrity who needs a car to match their ego. So the next time you see a flash of white and chrome gliding silently through the night, followed by the faint sound of jaws dropping, that's not a ghost. That's the Spectre RS Edition, and it's here to haunt your dreams.